down in the crater, down in the hole.
No man, on the side.
On the side.
Could I go down in the hole, man? Man, go down in the... Yeah, man.
So why if Europe? Gone Europe.
Nah, what? Same way if you're up on the edge, you're dead too. That's how the difference.
Would have dead before.
That time I play now wait for me.
See, if you're up on the edge, you might get time for run.
Yeah, man.
But you're still dead, man. You can't make it off up there. You guys coming to St. Vincent. Boom! Yeah boy! Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Vinci Vibe Plus. You know this is where we bring you all the vibe from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We are located here in the Eastern Caribbean. Yes, today is a very good day. Because why? You are alive, you are well, and even though you are sick, it's still a good day because you are still living. Some has passed and they are gone on to eternity. But we are here today so we can give God thanks, we can give God praise for whatever is going on in our lives, whether it is something good or bad. We still have to give God praise, because when you think of it, it's always worse off with some other people. Even though you don't have food to eat in your house, you don't have somewhere to sleep, as I always say, it's always worse with some other people. So we're gonna give God thanks for whatever He has provided and whatever He is providing for us. Okay, today we are going to the volcano, and I'm gonna take Raj, just perfect in Jamaica, Tiffany Silver, two Jamaican YouTubers. They are here for 2 weeks, and my job is to show them around the place. My job is to just make them have a good time. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do today. I'm in Cleverly right now. That's where they are staying, that's where the Airbnb is, and I'm gonna pick them up and then I'm gonna take them on this journey, and it should be a good one today. It should be a good one. This one should be a fast one because I guess that they are fit and ready to go. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And as I always say, we promote St. Vincent and the Grenadines right here on this platform. So if you love anything about St. Vincent, if you love the beaches, the waterfalls, the food, the culture, everything, this is the channel that you can get everything here. So why not subscribe, like, comment and share. So I'm gonna pick them up, and then when they get in the vehicle, then I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay, so stay tuned guys. Boom. See you up in the chair. That's it, last one. Alright. Alright. So I got a few guys. Now go back to the vehicle. Journey continues. Stay tuned. Well guys, it's a wet, cold one today. The rain started coming a couple minutes ago, so it's a cold one today. Foggy as usual. Raj in front, Tiffany behind. Yeah, we started 11:05. They're going good so far. Good pace. Almost close to the riverbed. Alright, Jesse, we set in our record today. We set in our record today. Yeah, man, we set in our record today, man. 1 hour. Dave. wet one today, guys. A wet one. We're in held us back like 10 minutes. So 10 minutes subtracted from our time. But we are doing well that so far. Yeah. Should be there like about after 12 o'clock. Hopefully there's no more rain. Alright guys, we arrived at the bench. This is the bench. This is where we are right now, half of the way. And it's not looking too pretty today. It's very foggy, very windy, very rainy. Look at that. You can't even see the palm trees. Let's look at it over there. It's all fog. Fog, very windy. Look at that. Everywhere, all the palm trees that I always show you guys, there are no inside. It's just fog everywhere. Yeah.
Halfway.
Raj, I would have said about the halfway trip.
Why, rough one.
Rough? Man, you're a man custom to the hills, man. It's supposed to be like nothing for your tiff. It's a halfway. How?
It's not bad, it's just too much incline, man.
Easy, man, easy. Yeah, man. Right again?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. But guys, the only thing with the hike that everybody always complain about is the incline. You know, a lot of people think it's a little bit, the terrain is flatter, you know, but it's not necessarily flat. Some places you have flat, like for example where we are walking right here now, it's flat, and then you're gonna have some incline again, then down, and then the last leg of the journey is gonna be like going up incline until all the way up. Yeah. We're still in good time now, it's just 12 noon. I remember we started the hike 11:05, so that's 25 minutes of hiking, and we passed halfway already. So we're going for a record today. It should be a quick hike today. Alright, stay tuned and keep the luck. Guys, look at that. You can't even see Georgetown. Georgetown is completely disappeared. All fog everywhere. Look at that. Not even the volcano you can see, which is always usually in sight. Nothing. Look at that. Very, very foggy. And even at times you see the grass, all the grass and all the palm trees that is on that side over there. Now if you don't know about La Soufrière, you would think that there's only clouds over there, a precipice or something. But if you know, you gotta wait until the wind blows, and when the wind blows, then you're gonna see the rocks appearing like out of nowhere. You start to see it clearing up. Now you start to see the mountain. Yeah, that's how it operates. And then one time you get back white again with the fog. So now you're just barely getting a peak of the mountain over there as the wind goes this way, and then just barely seeing it behind. Yeah, so it's a very, 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 very foggy day, guys. Yeah, it's not gonna be pictures today. Yeah, not gonna be any pictures today. But it's cool and nice. That's one thing I can say, it's cool and nice. Alright, stay tuned. Can't see nothing. Yeah. I'm gonna get some good drone footage too. I'm gonna fly the drone, go down so I see the whole of the layout. What you guys know now? That thing white. Hey, check out Raj foot. What your man foot a shake? Watch.
Foot pressure.
Watch it.
Yeah, see it?
Wait.
You see it a while ago? Yeah, no pressure.
That shake like Michael Jackson, man. Guys, sorry we never got to show you inside of the volcano because it's very, very foggy today. Oh, I drink some water, I think.
But you said I want to take it and
Yeah, man. Right there.
Eh?
This one.
Sure.
Cool too, man.
Cool and nice
Yeah,
out
man.
of the freezer. Dirt nice.
Try the water, man.
Yeah?
Try it. Cool. Yeah, man, this water come from underground, you know.
Yeah, man, nice and fresh.
Yeah, come from underground.
Yes.
From the opposite side of the volcano, from underground, flow come down from this side.
Nice
Cool.
and fresh though. Fresh.
Good water.
Wow.
Guys, the day it's not gonna get any better than this. I'm telling you. Usually when it's raining like this, here it's not gonna get any better. It's just gonna get worse. Coming down to the evening, it's gonna get dark very fast because of the fog, and it's a rainy day. It's gonna be like this all day. The only good thing is the sun is not that hot, so it was like good day to hike because it's cool and nice, but no good pictures. So guys, right now we are back at the riverbed after we started this hike 11:05. It's now 2:40 and we just got back up the riverbed. Yeah. So we're not too far from the vehicle. So from here, we're just gonna take our time down and get our lunch because the guys are hungry right now. Yeah. So see you there. Well guys, as you can see we are back and look at that. Now we are down. It has cleared up. Look up the Raj.
Everything up
Yeah man, up the clear now. We could have get good pictures now man.
It's still epic here, man.
Yeah, so guys, now we are back. Now we're gonna get some lunch. And on the menu we have breadfruit, brown stew chicken, and we have golden apple. But in the Raj them call it June plum. June plum. Yeah, golden apple.
Yeah, man, June
June
plum.
plum. So they said, come in now guys. Yeah, come in now, say hungry. I'm since morning
Yeah.
Until morning we are chat.
Yeah, look at party for this now. Yeah, man.
Yes, I'm ready.
Mash up this one.
Still have 2 pieces of chicken and 3 pieces of breadfruit left. So yeah guys, after a long hike, yeah, we're gonna, as Raj said, we're gonna put back some diesel, you know? Yeah. Yeah, it ain't glow right now. We're gonna put in back some diesel. Yeah, so we're gonna eat, and yeah, afterwards Raj and Tiff can tell you the taste of the food. I hope they're not telling any lies. Whether it tastes good or it not taste good. Alright guys, we're gonna eat. Alright guys, so we finished eating and we're just getting ready to leave the place. But you know, Jamaicans and St. Vincent people, they have a little bit similar. A little bit similar. We are a little bit similar, you know, but we have like almost the same kind of food, but the way Jamaicans prepare their food is a little bit different on how we prepare our food, but it's the same thing, right? Just like how we call, what you call it again? Sive. No, we have sive, and what you call it again? Scallion. They call it scallion, right?
And we call June plum. You guys
And we call golden apple. They call it June. They call golden apple June plum, right?
But when I say the brown sugar chicken tastes similar to ours, but ours more spicy, have more stuff to it. But
more
you say you don't like spice, so
No, I don't like
Flavor.
spice.
yeah, have more flavor.
With the spice and the scallion and all of that.
Yeah. But you, remember you say you don't really like spicy, so probably that's why you cook it that way.
Yeah, I don't like
But
spice.
it's nice. I
So
like it.
out of 100, how much I get?
And that's say I want 8.
It's 100.
100.
You never say 10.
Yeah, that would be 80 CMA.
Alright.
Yeah.
Tiff.
I would say 90 because the spice 99. More on the spice.
So because of the spice, Raj take off 20.
Yeah.
Man, take out 20% of my cooking.
And no planting in there.
Oh, I'm planting.
And no plant.
Outside.
Yeah, planting on the side.
You are planting.
You think bad man, but it just not spicy like oh.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really delicious.
Yeah. The
You
only
can
thing,
cook.
the only thing is, sorry, we never get to show you guys down in the crater.
Don't it?
I would like to show you how big and vast that thing
The
is.
thing is, look at the place just a clear up.
Yeah.
Left for open.
Yeah, but look up, up the good. You want to go back up?
No.
Oh. I walk on my bed.
I say, oh. Crazy.
Don't just walk 2 hours, go up the back.
Like 4 hours.
I want to put my shake out.
Well, Tiff, I asked Tiff, guys, if she ready for the hike like a couple of days ago. She said, yeah man, me come make it man. And she rushed like about 1,000,000 times. Every time me and Raja will be waiting for she. You know, so that's why I tell if you're gonna climb this hill, do some physical before you start the journey, because you're gonna need it. It might look simple to you, but trust me, when you actually get here, you're gonna need it. So do some physical first, and then when you start to climb, it will be like easy for you. You know Raj do adventure all the time, but him say him not fit.
Put on weight for our day.
You put on weight.
Yeah, man,
Too
so-
much food.
Nah, the food when I eat food.
Put on too much weight. Yeah man. I hope next time we could do a hike. We could do this, and we could actually get some.
Next time
Good.
I want a helicopter man, just let you down for one piece of rope. You don't know what that is. Take a helicopter from upstairs and just come across man. And
Straight from Georgetown, straight up.
And then let you off down for one piece of rope man.
Down in the crater, down in the hole.
No man, on the side.
On the side.
Could I go down in the hole, man? Man, go down in.
Really?
Yeah, man.
So why if you Europe man? Gone Europe.
Nah, same way if you're up on the edge, you're dead too. That's how the difference.
Would have did before.
That time I plane and wait for me.
See, if you're up on the edge, you might get time for run.
Yeah man.
But you're still dead, man. You can't make it off up there. Yeah guys, it was a fantastic day, you know. Yeah man, despite we never get no good visibility to get some pictures. Yeah, it was still a good day. Yeah. So yeah man, we're gonna leave this place, you know. We're gonna leave this place. So stay tuned guys. And if you don't know about these guys, you can check out their channel. Spearfish in Jamaica, we have Water Baby. Over there, Tiffany Silver, better known as Water Baby. And Spearfish in Jamaica, yeah man. You can check out their channel and make sure you go over and subscribe to their channel and you know follow them. Yeah man, they have great content man, coming out of Jamaica. All them waterfalls and beaches, catch and cook. All them kind of thing man. Yeah man. So guys, go over and subscribe to their channel and you know, big them up. Yeah man, so until the next one finds us, how we find the next one. It says Vincey Vibe Plus saying love God, love people. And see you in the next one. Peace out.